So today is Friday evening and we are pulling weeds, baby. So we're going to put some more soil in here and then we're going to drop our seeds. Yeah. That one is, I think putting those two upside down is a great idea. It's gonna stop the foolishness. That's okay if the soil go in them bricks, cause I need them in there, you know. So when you wipe, you just wipe it. You can just wipe it on there. They have onions over here, and that's cool too. Onions, look. We'll put a Romanesco right here, or two kohlrabis. That would be really cool. I grew kohlrabis in this bed many times. Gonna get it. We gonna get it. Damn. This is mint, Ben. Huh? Mint. And she gonna run like a track star. Yup, look at her.
I need to turn this brick on. I need to turn this brick on.
Wow.
Because it's at the bottom.
Yeah. Wow.
I got it all now.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All we gotta do is water it down. Look at that green sticking up right there, right there. Oh, she deep. Ah. And another one, look right there on the end. Yeah. Got her? Awesome. So I'm gonna put some 511. First, I'm gonna water it down with just water. Then I'm gonna put some 511 and super juice on it and let it chill. And then Sunday, I will drop the seeds in there. Or maybe I take some of these plants out, some of these cups. One or the other. She gonna get loaded up. I'm gonna load her up. Yeah. So I dropped some seeds here. That's what I dropped. I dropped some in here and in here. And I'm going to drop some of this kale here. Put that there. And I'm going to drop some kohlrabi in this container. Yeah. Now, of course, they won't live here. I'm just going to let them germinate here. All right. They are all dropped. Hey, everybody. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Oh my God, it's lovely out here. Absolutely lovely. A lovely day. It's a lovely day, y'all. It's a lovely day. Yeah. I'm sitting here by these babies that I do need to harvest these flowers, and I haven't gotten them yet. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. There's 3 of these butterflies running around. Well, there's 2 right now, but there's a 3rd one. Now, many people will look at these butterflies and think that they are monarch butterflies, but they are not. No. So if you could see their bodies, let's see if I could get. So this is the bodies of a monarch butterfly. They're polka dot, and theirs are not brown. These are viceroys. They are like monarch butterfly imitators, right? And this is so other insects won't eat them, because many insects know that if they eat a monarch butterfly, they will die, because the monarch butterfly is poisonous. But listen, no one told the garden lizard that. No, because baby, he will tear them up in a heartbeat. A garden lizard will eat them up. So you see their body is stripy brown? It's a viceroy. Yeah. There's about 3 butterflies that look like monarchs, but they're not. They are not monarchs at all. But that's okay. I like having them in the garden. It's so cool. They are welcome. You're welcome to be here, baby. Yeah, all 3 of them is flying around in the garden, just having a blast. Oh, wow. They're all over my head. Come on. When I don't know what I'm going to have for lunch, then I look at this. Oh, boy. Oof. She's ready. Yo, that's lunch, baby. That is lunch. Come on, mama. Come on. Yeah. It's lunch. So this is my moringa tree, and I have I want some flowers and leaves for my salad for lunch today. Yeah, so we're gonna get these. Let's see if I can get in the block some of the sun. So I'm gonna get these and some leaves, and I'm gonna add that to my salad. All right, let me see. Can I get this? Oh, I got it. Cool. All right. So I wanted some young leaves. Let's get some of these young babies. All right. That's some good ones right there, right? All right. Now this is my butterfly pea flowers, but look who has invaded the butterfly peas. Girl, you're not fooling nobody. You're not fooling nobody. This is the morning glory, Grandpa Ott in here. Perpetrating a fraud. These are the butterfly peas, and she just done jumped in here like she a butterfly pea. Girl, stop. So here is her people over here. She's over here, all of them. You know, that's the morning glory. They are all over up in there. But she just got in the bed with the butterfly peas. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Some of mine. All right, so this is my lunch for this Saturday. This is lunch. Yeah, baby. I'm going to enjoy. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you have a great day. But I'm going to enjoy my lunch. And then me and the kids are going bowling. We're going bowling today. All right, guys. Later, y'all.